Hey now, I'm Whit. Welcome to the channel. You know, anytime a brand comes out with a new watch, it seems like an AliExpress brand soon after will have an homage of that watch, and that's the case in here. If you're a fan of the Scuba 50 Fathoms, but maybe you'd like to have it in a stainless steel case instead of bioceramic, this one could be you, the Cadisen Deep Explorer. Ah, new packaging, huh? Showing the actual watch on the outside. Your instruction manual and warranty card. Polishing cloth. Oh, actually, there's the instructions. And there's your upside down watch. I really liked the colorway of this variation, and I thought it'd be cool to check out. Look at some of that, the indices, the markers there. They just kind of take on a dark blue appearance here, but then when light hits them, it's like a really light blue. Very cool. Let's check it out some more. Ooh, there we go. Wow. Like it. I can see some anti-reflective coating on the underside of that crystal already. Little debate about this crystal too. We'll check it out in a minute here, but I've got mixed reports on whether it's mineral or sapphire, so we will definitely check that out. And if you're one of those that saw pictures of this watch online and saw this style of strap and thought maybe it was a military style strap, otherwise known as NATO, here it's a two-piece, not quick release, but it's a nice soft nylon, and it looks like it's kind of a double, like two layers of fabric stitched together. I see how it's extra thick, so decent looking strap. I think this would look great on a bunch of other straps as well, so maybe later on in the video I'll show you that at least on a couple other straps. So let me tell you what I know about it. This is a 316L stainless steel case. Look at that bucket shape as well. Very cool. It's got a screw down crown and is signed with their logo. Crown guards there as well. A screw down exhibition case back. Is there a sticker there for you? Oh, there sure is. You ready? Yes. And we've got some specs around the outside edge. So we see all stainless steel, Cadisen, and what's over here? 100 meters water resistance and automatic. And is there a model number? C8239G. And while you're seeing that, I might as well tell you that is the Seiko NH35 automatic movement. Has 24 joules, beats at 21,600 vibrations per hour. Has about a 41-hour power reserve. Has hacking seconds and automatic and hand winding, and that quick set date. It's got a stated accuracy of -20 to +40 seconds per day, and you can see a quick glimpse of it here on the time graph for just one position dial up, just for a quick reference. Okay, before we verify the type of crystal and this bezel insert, let's check out this dial a little more up close. And man, regardless if this is mineral or sapphire, I'm really digging this distortions here on the edge. That looks beautiful. But yeah, this dial, so again, you see those indices, they just take on two different colors. The handset as well. It's just got this high blue, this really bright blue when light hits it, and then it's almost a dark blue when it's in the shadow. So that is just like a chameleon dial. I love that. Okay, like I mentioned, I've seen listings of this showing that it's a sapphire crystal, and I've seen listings that say it's mineral glass with sapphire coating. So let's find out. To give you an example of the Diamond Tester, Diamond Selector 2 here, I've got a Van Vanner watch, the Adroit, which has got sapphire crystal. So you'll see that there, register. And now let's grab the Deep Explorer. Okay, so it's mineral glass. So I'm going to assume that this bezel insert is also mineral glass. So that answers that. Now let's check out the bezel, because this thing is really cool. I mean, look at the grip on that. And again, that even being mineral glass, it looks really nice. I love the gray in contrast to that cream dial too. This is a really good combination. But yeah, the knurling looks great. Like you can grip it very easily. So let's find out. Oh yeah. That's a very light action. Okay, and a little bit of back play. That's probably at least half a click. I mean, I guess that's a lot of back play, right? Feels a little jiggly, but it's secure in where it stops and clicks at. But yeah, very light action, nice and easy to turn. you can feel those clicks very nicely. Let's check out the finishing a little more on this one. So you got radial brushing on the top of those lugs, and then moving on to the mid case, you've got vertical brushing, which I know is kind of not really a favorite of most collectors. It looks like it's a little rough in its brushing as well, but nothing out of the norm for a watch in this price range. But it's completely brushed. There's no high polish anywhere on this watch, including that bezel. And there's case finishing on the back side of the lugs as well, in case it shows with your strap choice. We touched on the strap a little earlier, but it's got that single pass look, including the hardware here, but it is a two-piece, and then the hardware does feature that same brushwork, and it is a sterile tang and buckle. Okay, still to come, I'll try it on and get you a lume shot, but let's get the measurements now. It's 42 millimeters in diameter, a lug-to-lug of 47.6 millimeters, which is pretty short for a 42 millimeter. It's a good compact size. A lug width of 22 millimeters, and a total thickness of 12.4 millimeters from the bottom of the case back to the top of that boxed crystal. Measuring just to the top of the bezel insert, it comes in at 10.3 millimeters. And that crown diameter is 6 millimeters. And the Deep Explorer weighs 78 grams on the supplied two-piece nylon strap. All right, I'm going to try it on and show you what it looks like now. But first today, I am wearing the Seagull Ocean Star. Man, this is a sweet watch. It's a GMT marked watch, but it's actually more of a dual time. You see this orange riot? That is an inner rotating bezel controlled by this crown here with a 12-hour scale to give you a chance to track a second time zone. Very cool. Check out this video here. I should do a full review on this instead of just that long form unboxing. Because this is a magnificent watch from Seagull. Ooh, I am liking that. Man, I really like this color. This is my 8-inch wrist and a 42 millimeter diameter watch. So you see, it's got a nice short lug-to-lug, I think, for this size. So I think even for smaller wrist, this would turn down and hug your wrist nicely, because as you can see here, this is actually kind of a short lug-to-lug for me. So yeah, even though it's a 42, I think it'll wear nicely on smaller wrists as well. Great turn down there. And it looks like the strap might be more intended for smaller wrists as well. You can see I'm on the third hole from the last, and I'm able to catch the second keeper, so that's good news for me. So if you had a larger than 8-inch wrist, and I'm wearing this fairly loose, this might actually kind of break in, and I would go to the fourth hole maybe down the road. But so if you got a larger than 8-inch wrist, then you might not have the strap held into that second keeper, the one further away. It might be here shorter. And if you have a smaller wrist, you're probably going to be able to have that excess come up here and flip it back like you would do a single pass and have it tuck in there. And here's your lume shot. So another surprise here, because this was listed as BGW9, but this clearly looks a little more green than the more greenish blue hue of BGW9. So you can see that the indices and the markers are fading fairly quickly, and the handset is lasting a little bit though. So, nothing really out of the norm for Cadisen lume here. I guess maybe we could say improvement with the handset, but yeah, everything else is fading really quickly. So not winning any lume wars here, that's for sure. The Cadisen Deep Explorer, reference number C8239. You can find these on AliExpress. I've got a link down below to get it in the Cadisen official store. These are kind of tricky on the price. The non-sale price is around $91 US, but you should be able to find this throughout various sales for about $68. So again, links down below in the description. Just check there first and see what your price is. I just really like this colorway with those indices and the handset turning that light blue to dark blue. That is just incredible. Such a beautiful dial. What do you think of this Scuba 50 Fathoms homage? Leave your comments down below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you got time, maybe check out one or two of these videos. I'll catch you over there. I'm Whit with so many watches, so little time and money.